European industry's need for flexible production system design, optimized time to market and high product quality provided the background for the ITEA cluster project AVANTI. The goal was to develop a virtual commissioning test methodology based on behavior simulation of production systems to enable leading European OEMs, component and tool providers to gain a competitive edge. Standardizing automation and using functional mock-up interfaces enables better product distribution channels and easy use of standard software, thereby reducing the effort needed to create complex simulation models. The project's two key innovations were 1. Virtualization of the testing process for industrial production lines, and 2. The combination of different models and tools for simulating production for virtual commissioning. The AVANTI project generated impressive exploitable results. It demonstrated in different industrial sectors the impact of distributed simulation. Daimler, Germany, in automotive assembly, Arçelik, Turkey, in white goods production, and Moventas, Finland, for windmill gearbox testing. In all application domains, the project resulted in an efficiency improvement of 25 to 30% in production preparation.